AI agents in catalyst discovery and scale-up synthesis, achievements, challenges, and future perspectives. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly reshaping catalyst research by transforming how catalysts are designed, optimized, and translated into industrial manufacturing. Traditionally, catalyst development has relied on computational chemistry, laboratory experimentation, and iterative trial and error, often requiring 10 to 25 years for a catalyst to reach commercial implementation. Recent advances in AI agents, machine learning, ML, autonomous laboratories, and high-performance computing are dramatically shortening this timeline by accelerating molecular simulations, guiding experiments, and supporting process scale-up. One of the most significant developments is the emergence of AI research agents that integrate computational chemistry, literature mining, and experimental planning into a single platform. Tools such as El Agente enable experimental chemists to perform sophisticated computational analyses without requiring expertise in programming or quantum chemistry. These AI assistants rapidly identify reaction pathways, optimize catalyst structures, predict transition states, and generate experimentally testable hypotheses within minutes rather than days. Such capabilities democratize computational catalysis by allowing synthetic chemists and process engineers to exploit advanced modeling techniques previously limited to computational specialists. Similar initiatives by major technology companies including Meta, Google, and NVIDIA are further expanding AI-driven catalyst discovery through powerful GPU-accelerated computing and foundation models trained on millions of chemical structures. Machine learning has also transformed molecular simulations. Conventional density functional theory, DFT, although highly accurate, remains computationally expensive when evaluating large catalyst libraries or complex reaction environments. Modern machine learning interatomic potentials, MLIPs, reproduce DFT-level accuracy while reducing computational time by several orders of magnitude. Simulations that previously required hours or days can now be completed within seconds, enabling rapid screening of catalyst compositions, solvent effects, surface interactions, and reaction mechanisms. These advances are particularly valuable for heterogeneous catalysis, electrocatalysis, and carbon dioxide conversion, where numerous structural and compositional variables must be optimized simultaneously. The success of AI models depends fundamentally on the availability of large, diverse, and standardized datasets. Open scientific initiatives, such as the Open Catalyst Project, the Open Quantum Materials Database, OQMD, and the Nomad repository now provide millions of quantum mechanical calculations for training AI models. More recently, experimental datasets have been incorporated alongside computational data, improving model reliability and facilitating industrial relevance. For example, researchers generated hundreds of catalyst formulations for carbon dioxide reduction and hydrogen evolution, combining automated synthesis, X-ray characterization, and electrochemical testing to develop predictive models that performed successfully under industrial operating conditions. Such integrated datasets significantly improve the transferability of AI predictions from laboratory-scale discovery to pilot-scale validation. AI is increasingly being coupled with laboratory automation to create closed-loop discovery platforms. Robotic systems synthesize catalyst libraries, perform high-throughput characterization, and feed experimental results directly back into machine learning algorithms for continuous optimization. A notable demonstration involved the automated screening of approximately 300 copper-indium catalyst compositions, leading to the discovery of a carbon dioxide to propylene electrocatalyst that exhibited the highest reported Faradaic efficiency at the time. Such examples illustrate how AI, robotics, and human expertise together can dramatically accelerate catalyst optimization while reducing experimental cost and time. Despite these impressive achievements, significant limitations remain before AI can routinely replace conventional catalyst development. High-quality experimental data remain scarce because catalyst synthesis and characterization are expensive, labor-intensive, and frequently lack standardized reporting protocols. Industrial organizations often restrict access to proprietary process data, while published literature tends to report successful experiments and omit unsuccessful results, introducing substantial bias into training datasets. Furthermore, heterogeneous catalysts involving transition metals, multi-component surfaces, and dynamic reaction intermediates remain considerably more difficult to model than homogeneous organic catalysts. These systems often require complex electronic structure descriptions beyond current simplified molecular representations. Scale-up synthesis presents an even greater challenge. Although AI excels at molecular discovery, industrial catalyst manufacturing involves numerous poorly understood variables, including mixing efficiency, particle dispersion, precursor addition rates, heat transfer, reactor hydrodynamics, aging, and formulation stability. Successful laboratory catalysts frequently fail during pilot production because these processing variables alter catalyst morphology and performance. AI-assisted manufacturing seeks to overcome these limitations by integrating real-time process monitoring using temperature sensors, computer vision, spectroscopy, electron microscopy, and process analytical technologies. Machine learning can then identify hidden relationships between processing conditions and catalyst performance, enabling more reproducible and scalable manufacturing processes. Autonomous process optimization may eventually reduce the extensive trial and error traditionally associated with catalyst scale-up. Overall, AI has evolved from a computational support tool into an intelligent research partner capable of accelerating catalyst discovery, reaction optimization, and process development. While challenges associated with data quality, experimental validation, mechanistic interpretation, and industrial scale-up remain significant, continued advances in autonomous laboratories, standardized databases, and explainable machine learning are expected to substantially improve the speed, reliability, and commercial success of catalyst development. Rather than replacing chemists, AI is emerging as a powerful collaborative technology that enhances scientific creativity and enables more efficient translation of fundamental discoveries into scalable industrial processes.